Hello.
You are listening to After 5 English
YouTu-Blog.
Hello and welcome back to After 5 English YouTube-Blog. My name is Kumiko. こんにちは。After 5 English の Kumiko です。今日もよろしくお願いします。It's sunny out there. It's hot, sunny. Anyways, do you like traveling? If you do, where is your favorite city to travel? Right now, I live in Canada.And when I travel, I usually travel back to Japan. This year, I will have a long holiday during August, but I will probably be having a bit of a staycation. Staycation is the word stay, vacation, put together. Staycation. It means you have a vacation at home. I will most probably be having a staycation in August.Today, I would like to talk about pronunciation. C-R sound. We will practice how to say cry, scrap, and crowded. C has two sounds, K and S. When you see C and R, it sounds like this. Kr, kr. So you have to open your mouth a little bit.And then, when you open your mouth, have the R sound ready, like kr, kr. Put the side of your tongue on the side of your back teeth. Kr, kr. You don't have to roll your tongue. You could just touch the side of your tongue on the side of your back teeth. Kr. And then followed by the vowels like cry. So it's I, ry, cry. Ap, rap, crap, scrap. So SCR, these consonants have no vowels in between. Skr, skr, scrap. And you don't have to say p, no. Scrap.Stop the air here. Scrap. And crowded. Crowded means so many people. It's crowded. The trains are crowded. That means full of people. So many people. Tokyo Disneyland is crowded all the time. So it's k-er. Okay? Let's read it from the back. Did. Outed. Routed. Crowded.Not crowd, okay? Crowd. Crowded. Let's repeat. I, ry, cry, ap, rap, crap, scrap, dead, outed, routed, crowded. So, when you do the CR sound, no A-E-I-O-U between C and R. Cr, cry, scrap, crowded. Again, cry, scrap, crowded. I hope this lesson was useful for you. When you see the CR sound, remember K and touch the side of your tongue.On the upper back teeth. Kr. If you can do this sound, you can say any CR vocabulary. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.